Hello everyone, and welcome to the Money Matters. Today, U.S. stock futures remain in the negative territory as the market awaits the latest report on the Federal Reserve's key inflation measure for further direction on interest rate changes. The S&P 500 futures are decreasing by 0.65%, the Dow Jones Industrial Average futures are dipping 0.56%, and the Nasdaq Composite futures are declining by 0.85%. All eyes are on the Personal Consumption Expenditures (PCE) price index, which is the Federal Reserve's preferred method of measuring the speed at which prices are rising in the economy. The PCE index is expected to increase by 0.5% in January, according to Bloomberg's consensus estimates, compared to the 0.1% increase in December. The annual PCE inflation is projected to come in at 5%, unchanged from the end of 2022. The core PCE, which excludes volatile food and energy components, is expected to show a 0.4% increase from the prior month and a slower rise of 4.3% over the year from 4.4% in the last month of 2022. These numbers, if accurate, would indicate that inflation is not decreasing as fast as investors had hoped, even though prices have stabilized from the current inflation cycle's peak. Brendan Murphy, head of core fixed income in North America at Insight Investment, advised investors to closely monitor the core PCE services excluding housing, which the Fed has emphasized as a crucial metric in their outlook for services inflation. Any unexpected changes in this figure could significantly impact market expectations for the Fed. In terms of individual stocks, Block saw a 7% rise in pre-market trading following its fourth quarter financial report that showed higher than expected profits and revenue. Warner Bros. Discovery experienced a 5% decrease in extended trading due to a large revenue loss in the final quarter of the year. Boeing stock dropped nearly 3% after announcing a pause in deliveries of its 787 Dreamliner planes because of a documentation issue. Beyond Meat stock rose by 13% after posting better than expected earnings, and CEO Ethan Brown stated that the company is making progress in reducing costs and overcoming manufacturing challenges. The used car retailer Carvana's stock fell 4% following its report of a net loss that was 9 times greater in the fourth quarter. That's all for today's finance update. Thank you for watching and be sure to tune in for more updates and analysis.